What's the difference between Sirius Gate app and other apps? 1. Stop wasting your time on superficial meditation apps. Sirius Gate is the deep and unique spiritual journey that leads you toward a real and clear goal, spiritual purity and connection with the great cosmic mind. 2. While other meditation apps offer you calming music, Sirius Gate grants you original divine chants, specifically designed for you and your daily spiritual development, with precise celestial timings. 3. No more random meditations where you feel no progress. Sirius Gate is an integrated system and precisely defined stages that take you step by step towards the peak of spiritual purity, guaranteeing you tangible results. 4. Forget relaxation apps that call themselves meditation. Sirius Gate is a deep spiritual experience that requires readiness and commitment, but it opens real stargates for you towards wisdom and the supermind. 5. Are you tired of meditation apps that offer you nothing but repetitive music? Sirius Gate offers you a unique divine mantra every day, specifically designed for this day, for a specific chakra, to cleanse your energy and raise your consciousness level. 6. Sirius Gate is not just an app, it is your only and unique path towards integration with the divine spirit. You don't need spiritual guides. The sky itself guides you and leads you on this blessed journey. Number 7. In other meditation apps, you might feel boredom and stagnation. With Sirius Gate, you will feel the difference every day, and you will set off steadily toward your spiritual goal, driven by the power of the sky and the great cosmic mind. 8. Sirius Gate is not just another meditation app, but it is the essence of ancient spiritual sciences, modern energy sciences, and astronomy, designed to take you further in your spiritual journey. 9. Don't let doubts control you. Sirius Gate is the only correct place that guarantees you a sincere and life-changing spiritual experience. You are in safe hands, the hands of the great Creator. 10. Other meditation apps might leave you lost in a labyrinth of sounds and music. Sirius Gate provides you with a clear and detailed roadmap, leading you towards your real treasure, spiritual purity, wisdom, and the supermind.
11. Don't seek just superficial relaxation, seek deep spiritual transformation. Sirius Gate is the only gateway that opens the doors to the greater cosmic consciousness for you, while other apps leave you on the shore. 12. Other meditation apps might calm your mind temporarily, but Sirius Gate completely reprograms your perception, so you reach the peak of spiritual purity and connect with your wish star. 13. Is your goal just reducing stress or reaching wisdom and the supermind? Sirius Gate is the only path that paves the way for you to reach the real treasure of life. 14. While other applications offer guided meditations by humans, Sirius Gate offers you divine mantras directly from the source of existence, making your spiritual journey authentic and untainted. 15. Don't waste your life on apps that promise you spiritual purity without a clear plan or goal. Offers you an integrated system and precisely defined stages, ensuring you inevitably reach your spiritual destination. 16. Sirius Gate is not just another app, it is a unique discovery, the essence of the wisdom of the ages and the sciences of the future, offering you a spiritual experience humanity has never known before. 17. Other meditation apps might be repetitive and boring copies, but Sirius Gate offers you a renewed and unique divine mantra every day, specifically designed for this day and its cosmic timing. 18. Forget sound effects and artificial music. Sirius Gate offers you only the original divine sound, which emanates from the depths of the universe, to take you on a pure and clear spiritual journey. 19. Sirius Gate is not an app for everyone, but it is for those ready to embark on a deep and serious spiritual journey. Are you ready for a unique experience that changes your life forever? 20. Don't accept traditional meditation that doesn't achieve the desired results for you. Sirius Gate is the only path that puts you on the unique way to reach integration with the pure divine spirit, step by step, steadily.
21. Other meditation apps work anytime, but Sirius Gate works at precisely specified times from the cosmos to ensure you get the maximum benefit from positive cosmic energy. 22. Don't rely on random meditation apps that don't consider cosmic timings. Sirius Gate is the only app that harmonizes with the pulse of the universe, to give you a spiritual experience synchronized with the sky. 23. Sirius Gate is not just meditation, but a precise interaction with cosmic energy. The times are precisely specified to ensure your reception of divine vibrations at their best states, and this is a secret unknown to other applications. It is the first app to reveal this cosmic secret through its 3 stages. 24. Other meditation apps might be useful at times, but Sirius Gate is the only app that provides you with maximum effectiveness every time you use it, thanks to its precise cosmic timing. 25. Don't make meditation just a daily routine, but make it a renewed spiritual experience harmonized with the universe. Sirius Gate is the only app that achieves this harmony for you, thanks to its unique celestial timing. 26. Integrated spiritual journey. Sirius Gate is not just a standard meditation app, but an integrated system that leads you from daily meditation to deep retreat experiences that reprogram your perception and open new horizons with the universe. 27. A gradual system elevates your consciousness. While other applications are limited to providing superficial meditation sessions or natural sounds, Sirius Gate offers you a clear methodology with 3 stages specifically designed to develop spiritual consciousness step by step, facilitating your access to tangible results in your personal development. 28. Consistency with the universe's rhythm. The Sirius Gate experience relies on precisely specified times that align with the movement of the sky and cosmic vibrations. This makes you treat meditation as part of your synchronization with the pulse of the universe, in an experience not repeated in traditional meditation applications. 29. Harmony of authenticity and modernity. The app combines the essence of ancient spiritual sciences with the latest knowledge of energy and astronomy. The original divine mantra, changing daily, contributes to creating a unique spiritual experience that stimulates you to reach the peak of spiritual purity. 30. Challenge yourself and exit the routine. Instead of feeling stagnation and monotony that accompanies most applications, Sirius Gate grants you the personal challenge to engage with sincerity and full commitment. Passion and perseverance are your key to elevating to higher consciousness levels.
31. Communication with cosmic wisdom. The app doesn't just promise relaxation, but guides you to communicate with Sirius Star. Here you don't just get a meditation experience, but a path that leads to discovering the treasures of wisdom and the supermind within yourself. 32. Guarantee of achieving results. With its unique design, based on scientific and spiritual foundations aimed at enhancing neuroplasticity and mental purity, Sirius Gate promises that every minute you spend in the app is an investment in your overall spiritual transformation. 33. Uniqueness in every detail of the experience. The app's practices, from daily meditation to periods of retreat and total withdrawal from the world, guarantee an integrated experience that allows you to recharge your inner energy and connect with the universe in a way not provided by other applications. 34. A step towards the renewed self. Take a bold step towards the renewed self with Sirius Gate. There are no limits to spiritual elevation, but vast horizons open to everyone who believes in their ability for true transformation. 35. A journey in the pulse of the universe. Embark on a deep meditation journey where you find that every breath creates the pulse of your universe, and every meditation moment brings you closer to discovering the secret of your celestial existence. 36. Flowing positive energy. Let every meditation session with Sirius Gate be a strong boost of positive energy, recharging your soul and renewing your inner activity to achieve lasting peace. 37. Beginning of each day with a new dawn. With Sirius Gate, not every day is just a beginning, but an opportunity to rewrite your spiritual journey with confident steps towards a greater light of cosmic consciousness and supermind. 38. Intimate meeting with the self. Here you are not just a meditator. Rather, you are a companion of a journey with yourself, rediscovering the hidden secrets of your soul as you dive into a deep meditation session full of inspiration and wisdom. 39. Harmony with celestial rhythms. Let your commitment to following the studied cosmic times with Sirius Gate be a bridge connecting you with the celestial vibrations that grant you the ability to renew and stabilize. 40. Reprogramming the mind and soul. With every divine mantra chanted during Sirius Gate sessions, you witness a real reprogramming of your mind that forms new qualities of flexibility and determination to achieve future visions.
41. Investment in your personal growth. Every minute you spend in this app is not just a passing meditation moment, but a valuable investment in your personal and spiritual growth, making your heart wider and your mind more illuminated. 42. The secret of the universe in your hands. Explore the hidden secrets of the universe with Sirius Gate, where science meets spirit, so that every session is the beginning of a new chapter full of wisdom and cosmic revelation. 43. Live the integrated cosmic experience. Don't settle for dreaming of a life full of serenity. Live it with Sirius Gate, where every meditation transforms into a meeting with the depth of the self and spiritual revelation, making your experience an unparalleled journey towards self-mastery. 44. Don't waste your time on random meditations. Sirius Gate is not just nature sounds or calming music, but a scientifically and spiritually planned journey in 3 stages that reprogram your consciousness and lead you to the gamma state that scientists seek. 45. Are you tired of apps that promise serenity but leave you at the same point? Here is a clear path from beginning to end. 6 months to establish the habit, 10 months for the transformation retreat, and 4 months for integration with divine vibrations in the pyramid. Tangible results are your time back. 46. Real meditation is not a fleeting relaxation. It's a covenant between you and the universe. With Sirius Gate, you will practice daily meditations with changing divine mantras, synchronized with the movement of the stars, to receive sky energy at its ideal timing. 47. Why pay for illusionary guides? The only app that dispenses with intermediation and connects you directly with Sirius Star. All you need is a pure heart and unyielding determination. 48. The first app in history to combine modern astronomy, Orion Group Sirius Star, cosmic geometry, pyramids effect on brainwaves, scientifically proven Sufi retreats to stimulate neuroplasticity. Try the essence of 5,000 years of wisdom in your phone. 49. There is no failure here, only commitment. If you commit to the program, at least 85% of the days, the sky will take your hand. Other apps keep you in a vicious cycle because they lack the greatest secret: time synchronization with the universe and the language of communication with it. 50. Do you know why ordinary apps close after 20 minutes? Because they have nothing else to offer afterwards. As for Sirius Gate, it will close to protect you. Because meditating outside the specified times, according to star movement, may hinder your progress. We offer maximum effectiveness or nothing.
51. We don't sell you a moment of calm. We create a consciousness revolution for you, from the beginner stage to the final pyramid retreats, where you become the first human in the modern era to transcend the matrix with wisdom and supermind. 52. Traditional meditation apps equals fast food. Sirius Gate, a journey of spiritual fulfillment for life. Because whoever reaches the final stage with us never returns as they were. The sky will encompass them with Sirius Star, the treasure of wisdom that does not perish. 53. No platform resembles us. We are the only means to exit the matrix with cosmic consciousness. Do you know why? Because we are the only ones who ask you to sign a covenant with yourself before starting. A happy heart, steel determination, and faith that divine giving is unlimited. 54. Sirius Gate is not an app. It's the first and last pass from the world of the limited to the unlimited. All results are available under one condition: that you believe the sky as you believe yourself. 55. Are you looking for meditation that literally changes your brain chemistry? With the system of scientific retreats, 12 days of monthly interruption, you will stimulate neuroplasticity that transforms your consciousness into the rare gamma state. Something you won't find in any other app. 56. Other apps teach you meditation. As for us, we teach you to be the universe. Because whoever reaches the final stage with us will realize that Sirius Star is not just a point of light, but a gateway that transforms your consciousness into pure cosmic energy. 57. We don't want users, we want pioneers. This app is exclusive to brave hearts deserving of a spiritual journey that mimics the retreats of great spiritualists in all cultures, but with a modern methodology supported by astrological physics. 58. What's the use of meditation that doesn't take you out of the matrix? Here, every step brings you closer to the seal of Sirius Star. Other apps keep you in a whirlpool of temporary emotions. 59. Synchronization with the sky is not a slogan. It's divine mathematics. Our meditation times are not random, but precisely calculated according to the movement of Sirius Star and the Orion group. That's why their effect is 100 times stronger than any app. 60. No platform resembles us because we are the only ones who prohibit music. We use divine mantras spoken by the human throat as created by the divine. Close automatically outside the specified times, protecting you from negative cosmic energy.
61. Ordinary meditation calms your nerves for 20 minutes. Sirius Gate makes you a new human within 3 years. The difference? We integrate neuroscience, astronomy, Sufi retreats into one system. 62. Why 85% mandatory rate in the first phase? Because the brains of seekers of spirituality need 66 days to break unconscious barriers. Every day you take with us is a reshaping of your consciousness. 63. Free apps sell your data. As for us, we sell you an entry ticket, a passage from the world of matter to the kingdom of divine vibrations, where spiritual treasures become yours. 64. Traditional meditation may cause boredom. Sirius Gate transforms every session into a cosmic adventure, because our divine mantras are not repetitive, but change daily according to the rhythm of the sky. 65. Do you know the secret of the decreasing time in our meditations? Because the universe is accelerating and we synchronize your meditation with the divine pulse of the stars, a rare astronomical technique that makes every second you practice more effective than the last. 66. Surface spirituality is over. This app is the PhD in cosmic consciousness. No place here for beginners or amateurs, only souls thirsty to gather their celestial fragments. 67. We don't stimulate emotions. We reshape minds. The proof? After 90 days of commitment, you will feel your thoughts emit light vibrations, an effect confirmed by neuroplasticity research. 68. In other apps, you meditate and forget. With us, every session is a step in a cosmic map leading you to connection with Sirius, Star of Wishes, breaking through the gateway of divine wisdom, transcending the spiritual death that humanity lives. 69. Meditation with us is not a practice. It's a declaration of war on everything superficial. A war with weapons, energy science, pyramid effect, astrophysics, star synchronization, neuroscience, gamma waves. The result? An irreversible spiritual victory. 70. We don't promise you peace of mind. We promise a revolution of insight. Because whoever finishes the program will see the world as a network of divine vibrations. And their wishes will become orders issued to the universe to execute for them. 71. Have you heard of the blue light that steals your focus? We are the first app to warn you against using the phone outside meditation times. We close automatically to ensure that every second with us is a step towards cosmic space, not distraction. 72. Retreat with us is not an escape from the world, but a return to the origin of the world. 12 days monthly, including 10 continuous days, where you reprogram your perception as if you are born from the womb of galaxies. 73. Every sentence here is not just words, it's an illuminated map for consciousness unlike any humans have known since the time of the first sages. The question is not, will you try Sirius Gate? But, are you ready to be among the 0.1% who know the secret of existence?